Good. So to hook up our city water connections, I'm gonna grab one of our white hoses, and this brass connector is a water pressure regulator. Park water pressures vary, and you don't want too high of a water pressure to burst the pipes inside of the coach. So we'll thread the water pressure regulator onto the pedestal. That just hand tight. Thread on the hose to that. We're going to take this, hook it up to the city water connection on this side of the coach. There is a water connection near the entry door on the passenger side, but that is going to be what's used to fill the water holding tank and not to supply water to the coach while you're parked at a campsite. Now that's connected, we can slowly turn on the water and check for leaks. And it looks like we're good.